So lots of guys are going to tell you that Microsoft Edge is thrash. You need this browser or that browser to do these things or that things, but time changes. So Microsoft completely rebuilt their Edge browser using Chromium source code, which is developed by Google. And yes, it is better than previous Edge. You can personalize the themes and add more extension and can directly import all settings from Google Chrome. Hello and welcome everyone, I am Nilmani Gautam from CodeFlow. In this video, I will provide the official download file for the new Microsoft Edge browser and show you how you can replace the old Edge with new Edge browser. So first, if you don't have new Edge installer, then open any internet browser and search for repairtofix.com. Now from here, search for Microsoft Edge. You will find the latest update file for Microsoft Edge. Go through the link and at the very bottom click on Microsoft New Edge browser to download it. After download is completed, open it. Now it will download and install New Edge browser. After installation is completed, you can see New Edge is replacing the old Edge taskbar. From here, you can import all settings from Google Chrome. A few more clicks and now it is ready to use. If you have any difficulties on installing new Edge browser, then comment below. For more latest download related to Windows and other software, please don't forget to subscribe the channel.